Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your subscription with Coursera, complete guide step by step clearly. To cancel your subscription with Coursera, begin by opening your web browser. Visit the Coursera website at www.coursera.org. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Subscriptions tab. Here, you will see a list of your current subscriptions. Identify the subscription you wish to cancel. Click on the Cancel button next to the subscription details. A confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. Carefully read the information provided in the prompt. If you are sure about your decision, confirm the cancellation. Your subscription will be canceled immediately, or at the end of the billing cycle, depending on the terms. You will receive a confirmation email once the cancellation is processed. Check your inbox to ensure you receive this confirmation. If you encounter any issues, visit the Coursera Help Center for assistance. Make sure to explore alternative options if you're considering returning later. That concludes the process for canceling your subscription with Coursera. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.